to play outside. It's awesome seeing you guys. Awesome day.
Campus Kids Daycare is a non-for-profit organization, and it's ran by qualified ECE caretakers. And even though we are located at the Northern Lights College, we cater to Dawson Creek as a whole.
Jody Schmidt is a working mother of two who relies heavily on daycare for her growing family. She also gives her free time generously to volunteer with the daycare and sits on their board. And it's a simple reason why she does so.
Because I want to be involved with my children, and I think that it's a great opportunity to do that, and also because there's not a lot, like I said, there's not a lot of daycare offerings in Dawson Creek, and so if I can be a part of improving that, then I will do it gladly.
Wonderful. And now specifically we are here more for the play area that's out back. Tell me what's so important, what you guys are looking for.
Well, right now we have a few structures that are up, but it's kind of rickety and they're very, very old. I mean, I've been around the daycare now for about 5 years, and it was in place, I would say, maybe even 10 years before that. I don't know exact dates, but it's just old and rickety, and it's not really, it doesn't apply to the age group that comes to the daycare, because the age group is from 30 months to 5 years. So we need something that caters to, that's shorter to the ground, and also, you know, the slide isn't so steep and all of those things.
Board members have just the solution. A new outdoor play area is in the works. With a price tag of $40,000, they are seeking outside help.
We've raised to date about $20,000 so far by way of just kind of hitting the pavement and asking the local businesses for help.
And getting in there themselves, organizing bottle drives, going door to door, and getting local businesses to save their returns for the Campus Kids Daycare Group.
And also the parents of the children, they give us a lot of money. You know, we have candle orders and seeds and anything we can give out to them to help with the project.
And if people wanted to help you guys out, make a donation, how would they go about doing so?
Well, they could contact us at the daycare at 784-7523, I believe. Oh yes, 7523. Contact name is Karen.
As Jody made clear earlier, they are doing this all for the children who benefit from attending this not-for-profit daycare.
I think it's important for kids to get outdoor play, and I mean, our winter months are so long and they play in the gym here, but when it's summertime and the sun is shining and they see the playground and they go running, it's just nice to see the smiles on their faces.